Welcome to another episode of Mail Time on the Floor. I already opened these. I apologize, but it doesn't mean that they're any less exciting. So first one I wanted to show was really awesome. Before I got the harness for my Mac valve, my boosty boy here got burned up during the last exciting episode of How Long Can We Endure the Punishing Negatives of my Mustang build. Anyway, that guy got all melty, this harness, and I was gonna buy a new valve just in case the valve got hurt in the fire, and Felix Hamilton, Ultimate Bro, found these harnesses as I did, and you could only buy them in like a 50 pack. So he was like, hey, I'll send you 10. So he sent me 10 and wouldn't let me pay him. I'll try again, or I'll get him back somehow. So this, an awesome guy by the name of Vinnie Silverella. I'm going to take a stab at that. It says, enjoy your gift from the LS Kid, aka Vinnie Silverella. Anyway, thank you very much. That is awesome. So I have a spare in case I hurt it again or I build another car. Either way, that's going to get used. Don't worry about it. Thank you, Vinnie. And then what I have here is the guy at PCMs for Less. The cam that only lasted 200 feet in the red car before it went up into a fireball and shat the internals and nicked up the cam and everything. That 232, we're calling it the rod yeeter, or whatever else we'll call it. The 8x8 cam. This is one I was really excited to try with the big, this is the Holley intake. I'd love to do the Holley intake big turbo and this fairly big turbo cam. This is the one that sounds like super raunchy. He sent me another. Texas Speed cuts his cams, but he sent me another, and a bunch of people have already ordered that cam from him, even though the car only went 200 feet. The other really neat thing that he does is he ports stock junk 862 cylinder heads. They're my favorite, and I've done ported heads before and picked up like an easy 40 rear wheel through an auto unlocked on low boost. So it'll be neat to try another set of ported heads. And I have to check the price that he sells these for, but I think it's 600 bucks for an entire set of ported heads, no valve springs. But it has valves, and they are ported, and they're set up and ready to go. You just have to put your valve springs in them and install them. So it'll be really neat to try those. And then also, my boy, Mr. Brad at Snake Eater Performance sent me, well, stickers and a 102 millimeter electronic throttle that we're going to test with the Holley. This is massive. Holy crap, look at this thing. So we're going to see how this works with the Holley, maybe a stock ECU. It's kind of a waste to put on my blower, to be honest. The blower inlet is nowhere near that big. It'll probably have sealing issues. But yeah, that's huge. Holy crap. Man, a 102 is really big. Anyway, it'll be really cool to try this guy, see how it works out. The other one, he sent me an 88 or a 92, and it worked great. I have no problems with it at all. In fact, very happy with it. So I think other people are running it too. And then my other stuff is ready to go. So hopefully I got a bunch of stuff out of the way so I can start working on my Mustang this week. We're going to get Mitch's truck going this week, which is another budget 2500 turbo truck. Taking some time away from the Mustang to work on that truck and iron out some things. Just give that thing a little bit of a break. Figure out what I want to do. So there'll be an update video for that coming up soon. I just wanted to do my Friday's worth of mail time today on Monday, so everybody could check some stuff out, hang out, do whatever. Thanks, bye.